In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Roblox Studio. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode in Roblox Studio to make your development experience more comfortable and visually appealing. Let's dive right in. First is to open Roblox Studio setting and launch Roblox Studio. Click on File from the top menu and select Studio Settings from the drop-down. You can also press Alt+L on your keyboard to open settings directly. Step 2 is to enable dark theme. In the Studio setting window, select Studio from the left panel. Scroll down to the top right until you'll find the theme option under General. Click on drop-down and select Dark. Third is to apply and save settings. If a pop-up appears asking you to accept terms and policies, just click Accept. Click OK to apply the changes. 4 is this is an option. Switch back to the light mode if you want to switch back to light mode. Follow the same steps and select light under theme. Dark mode not only reduces eye strain but also gives your workspace a sleek, modern look. I really hope this helped. Thank you for watching.